Hi, my name is Dipty. I'm from Leicester, UK. My project title is the bucket name generator. The reason of choosing this project, it helped me with my work in Wise as well. The uniqueness of this project, it generates the bucket name for the three different environments such as development, pre-prod, and production. Each bucket name has a six-character suffix to ensure it is a Unix, which is very useful in the cloud environment when the duplication is not allowed. The program, it takes the two inputs, the environment name like Dave, preprod, and productions, and the number of the bucket names to generate. Let me show you in action. Say, for example, when I run the project, it gives me the parameter of saying I enter the environment name by separate with the space. So in this case, I'm entering the day, number of the bucket that needs to be generated. In this case, one, and it'll generate the unique bucket name for the dev environment. As you can see, the first it takes the environment named, the bucket, and the random bucket name generated, which is the number and the character. If I enter if I want to take multiple environment names, I can use the parameter name, say Dave. Now on the production environment and the number of the bucket I would like to generate it. In this case, say for example 3, and it will generate the 3 bucket name. If the user by any chance not entering the correct input, in this case like entering the random character, it will prompt again the user to enter the correct value. In this case, say for example, user entered the invalid, not entering a numbers, and then it'll throw the ask the user to enter the correct input. So in this case, I want to enter the 1 bucket name. So in short, this project is using handling the user input, validating the arguments, and then generating the random string. So it's generating the unique bucket name, which is kind of useful in the AWS cloud environment. Thank you for watching this video. This is my final project.